If you're serious about growing your hair and you love making your DIY recipes yourself, then this one is a must try. This recipe is very easy to make. It is affordable. Basically, all you need to make this is already in your kitchen. This recipe doesn't take time before you start seeing results. As little as 1 month, you will not believe your hair transformation. With this recipe, your scalp will not run out of blood circulation and proper nutrient delivery. All the ingredients used in this recipe work together to provide blood flow to your scalp, ensuring that your hair follicle receive a rich supply of nutrients from all the ingredients, leading to thicker, long, healthy hair within 1 month. I promise you that. The ingredients in this recipe also strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. Ingredients like the onions peel combined with the strengthening power of clove can help fortify your hair from root to tip, making your hair resilient and less prone to breakage. This recipe makes your hair healthy and balances the scalp. Ingredients like clove has antiseptic properties and ginger anti-inflammatory property can create a very clean, calm and balanced scalp environment, free from dandruff, irritation and other things that can hinder hair growth. This recipe also has antioxidant protection. The high antioxidant content in all the 4 nutrients can help protect your scalp and your hair from environmental damages and oxidative stress, which can contribute to hair thinning and premature graying. This recipe was actually inspired by an Indian YouTuber. You all know how judicious Indian people can be with hair growth. Judging from their hair, you can tell that the herbs work. So they don't just wake up one morning and formulate a DIY product claiming it helps with hair growth when it doesn't. They are doing it because it has helped someone and it has been passed down from generation to generation. So don't be saying food don't help with hair growth, because it actually does. Just like the combined stimulating effect of rosemary and ginger, alongside with nutrient supply from onions and clove. All these ingredients help wake up your dormant hair follicle and promote hair growth. Before we proceed to their individual benefit, let me explain to you how to prepare this spray. As I promised, this recipe is one hell of an easy spray to make and it is very affordable. For this spray, we use a total of 4 ingredients. The first ingredient used in this video is rosemary, dry rosemary. You can use the fresh one if you have it. Followed by clove. I then add in our onion peel. You know, in my last video, I say always save your onion peel so you can use it to prepare another hair growth recipe. And this is it. This is the onion peel I said previously. So lastly, we have our ginger. For this recipe, you don't need too much ginger. Just a thumb size of ginger is very alright, because everything here stimulates hair growth. You can either blend your ginger or chop it just like I did. It is absolutely unnecessary to take out the ginger peel, so you can leave it. Just ensure you wash it very well to take out all the dirt, and also ensure you wash the back of the onion. That is basically all you need to wash. After that, put it in a pot or a bowl. For this video, I'll be infusing the herbs. Feel free to boil it. You can actually allow this to simmer on fire for about 10 to 15 minutes. But I didn't want to boil mine, I just wanted to gradually infuse it. After that, go on and cover this up. You don't want to let this open because all the vasodilating effect will escape. If you leave it open, that tingling and warm sensation you get from using rosemary and clove on your hair will no longer be there. After about 20 minutes, our herbs is ready. Everything has properly infused into the water, but you can leave it longer if you're not in a hurry. What I would have done differently is to grate the ginger or blend it. I think doing it that way, it will infuse better into the mixture. The next thing we need to do is to strain out the liquid. This is gold. If you can use this consistently for a period of 1 month or 2, I promise you that your hair will change. Your hair density will not be the same. The length will not be the same. Even if your hair has stopped growing for years, your hair will start growing, because this recipe is powerful. Both gender can use it. Any hair texture can use it. Whether you're on relaxed or natural hair, it doesn't matter. This will work perfectly. We just need to add one more thing and our hair growth recipe will be ready. All the ingredients used in this spray combined can be used individually. Individually, they are amazing, but combining it together will create this perfect synergy that will make your hair unstoppable. Your hair will be growing at a rate that you don't even understand. Our last but not the least ingredient we'll add into this recipe is the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is well known due to its benefits on the skin and hair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps neutralizes free radicals that can damage your hair follicle, leading to hair breakage and hair loss. These free radicals can come from environmental stressors just like pollution, UV radiation, and some certain hair products. Vitamin E helps create a healthier environment for your hair. A healthy scalp is crucial for strong growing hair. It can also help soothe irritated scalp. It is also suggested that vitamin E can help boost blood circulation on the scalp. Lastly, vitamin E can help seal up the hair cuticles, which is the outer layer of the hair shaft. This can reduce frizzes, increase shine, and make your hair feel smoother and softer. Adding vitamin E oil to this mixture containing rosemary, clove, ginger, and onion peel can be highly beneficial. Adding vitamin E oil make the spray more potent. All ingredients has antioxidant property. The other ingredient like clove, ginger, and onion peel also has antioxidant property. Combining them with vitamin E antioxidant will create a boost of antioxidant shield for your scalp and hair, offering superior protection against environmental damages and oxidative stress. This multi-layer defense is crucial for maintaining healthy hair growth and promoting hair. While rosemary and ginger boost blood circulation, vitamin E directly nourishes the scalp cell, helping to repair and rejuvenate the hair. Vitamin E is also excellent for strengthening the hair shaft, which means your hair is less prone to breakage. All the ingredients used in this recipe is known for stimulating hair growth, so why won't it work for you? Now our hair growth spray is ready. You can go ahead and transfer this into your applicator bottle or spray bottle. You can go ahead and store this in your refrigerator for a period of 1 to 2 weeks. After that, you can discard it and make a fresh batch. Everything I make on this channel, I personally use it. Without further ado, let me show you how I use this on my hair. Having a protective style shouldn't be an excuse not to use hair growth spray. They actually work very well when you're on a protective style. You can just use it to moisturize your protective style and use a butter to seal it in. This ensures your hair stays hydrated and growing at a speed rate. If you're on a protective style right now, just be consistent with this spray. By the time you take down your hair, you will not believe the transformation on your hair. By the time you take down your protective style after a period of 1 month, you will not only notice the increase in length but increase in hair density and hair appearance. Your hair becomes softer, darker, looks more healthy and more shinier. If you're not on a protective style and you want to use this spray and you want it to work, you have to section your hair because we need this spray to get directly into your hair follicle. Without sectioning your hair, if you use this spray, especially if you have 4C type hair, there's a probability that it might not get directly into your hair follicle, making it totally useless. What you should expect if you're using this spray: by the time you use this spray for a few weeks to 1 month, you will notice your hair start to feel thicker and more voluminous. And this is due to existing strands becoming stronger and new hair growth filling up the space. You will notice your scalp becomes cleaner because of the anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties in ginger and clove, alongside the vitamin E soothing effect, which can lead to less itchiness, less irritation, and flaky scalp. If you have dandruff, you will also notice an improvement. You will notice your hair becomes smoother because of the vitamin E and the overall nourishment by the other herbs. I need you to know that just like any other natural remedy, consistency is key. Frequent use is important. You can use this 3 to 4 times weekly. It is crucial for seeing results. Skipping application can slow your progress. Hair growth is a slow process, so before you can see visible results, you have used this up to 4 to 8 weeks. Also remember that everyone's body reacts differently, so be patient with your hair. If you have watched this video to this end and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe before you leave. I would really appreciate it. You will be encouraging me if you subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.